Mastering definite quantitative adjectives in English. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson in our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we'll focus on a critical aspect of English grammar, definite quantitative adjectives. These adjectives help us understand quantities in a precise manner. Let's get started. Definite quantitative adjectives are those adjectives which provide exact number or amount of nouns. For instance, in the sentence, I have 3 books, the word 3 tells us the exact number of books, hence it's a definite quantitative adjective. Definite quantitative adjectives are generally easy to spot. These are words that represent an exact number or quantity, like 1, 2, 7, 100, million, and so on. So, in sentences like, she has 10 dogs, or they ate 2 pizzas, 10 and 2 are your definite quantitative adjectives. Let's take a look at some examples to help you understand definite quantitative adjectives better. There are 20 students in the classroom. I read 50 pages of the book yesterday. She bought 4 dresses for the party. There are 6 eggs left in the refrigerator. In these sentences, 20, 50, 4, and 6 are definite quantitative adjectives because they show the exact number of nouns. Remember, practice is key in language learning. Try to construct your own sentences using definite quantitative adjectives. For instance, there are 3 apples on the table. He has 2 cats. And that's a wrap on definite quantitative adjectives. Keep practicing, keep understanding the context, and soon using these adjectives will become second nature to you. Thanks for joining us today, and stay tuned for more fun and helpful English grammar lessons. Happy learning!